Hello and welcome to another demo of the Paragraphs bundles. My name is Ala Haddad and I'm the developer of the Paragraphs bundles module, and today we're going to talk about the Lightbox image grid. This bundle was created and then updated, so you may see another video that's before the update happened to it, because it was created as a grid. You create a grid and then it was updated as a Lightbox. If I open this one, so this is the demo we try to finish. You click and uh, and at the same time you set the width, the max width, min max width for each grid. So to start, I have a local site. Let's go and enable this bundle and add a content. I have a content type has a paragraph field added to it, so let's enable this one. Lightbox, not this one, wrap on the Lightbox, and you need the image and the image grid. Yes, and after installing this one, let's go add uh, content, add article, and no, not slideshow, let's do box. And I don't want these. Let's go add a paragraph and image grid. So what you need to do, you want to have image grid, and inside this one you add it gets already image grid section. I usually do something so by this way people don't want to get confused between image grid and image grid section. You don't want to see image grid. I'm gonna remove this one. Remove. Like, the best scenario really is that when you add paragraph, you want to see only the bundles are allowed to be inserted inside that field. Like when I add paragraph, there are certain bundles are not allowed to come up here, like image grid section. So to do that, I'm just gonna go structure, content type, article, manage field, and this is the field, edit, and I'm just gonna say either include or exclude. So exclude, I don't want to see this one or any other one or any other sections actually. So by this way, when you go to the field, wherever you see section, you don't want to see it, and click save. And now go content, add content, articles, box. And when you add paragraph, now I want to see only this, because this is actually what I want to see. So I want to see this one, and this one by default I inserted the image grid section inside it. So it's actually, when you click add, you add the image grid and the image grid section. These are two bundles already. So first of all, you need to make the setting for the if we look to the example, so the image grid, this is the wrapper for the image grid. Image grid section, each bundle of these. So first of all, we need to define the width here. So that's where you go to the wrap or the image grid, and let's say, so each grid inside this guy has to be 200 or whatever, anything. I have just the default, so we could leave it as a default. We could add a background, just you see the background color and something it makes different to us. And then I'm gonna go here to the content, and I'm gonna add a media. So let's add this one. And so by this way, this is the one grid inside the section, and inside the image grid you have a title. So let's choose some, just pick some text here. I'm gonna edit here. So this one. So here, let's talk about once you add an image, you may want it to be clickable or not. So if you do clickable image, if you want to add a link, like uh, any link, internal or outside, let's do this one first. And I'm just gonna do collapse and then add image grid section. I'm just gonna do another one. It's not clickable. So we see, and without text. I'm not adding any text here. Let's add text on the first one and collapse. And this one doesn't have text. And add another one. Choose, save, and let's add text here and collapse. So that's all. You have more setting. You could play with each one, but that's what you get. You see, that's the image grid. And so this one was clickable. So if you click here, it should take you to the node or the link. When you do clickable, it will be clickable here. But if you click on this one, it will pop up the image. So this way you have some options. And this one, same thing. And here is load. And as you see here, for developers, you can customize the color here or the font or anything. Like here, with each section, if I go edit, click edit, and let's apply some colors. So this is a background. Let's add some, where is the padding? Do this one. And here, for each section, this the one has text. So you could go apply background color and you want to do opacity, and let's view, and that's what you get to see. So the background, so it's pretty much give you more contrast on the text if you want to read. This is the Lightbox image bundle. I hope you like it, and see you in the next one.